Everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the NG models Avianca A320 in the Surf City El Salvador livery. It's kind of, I guess, Avianca El Salvador is who mainly operates this, or well, San Salvador would be where they fly in and out of. But yeah, so here we have it. This was a January 2024 release. I know it's already the end of the year here, and we're just getting to it. I honestly just got this model somewhat recently. So anyways, here we go. Here we have the box, looking very nice. Very nice box art, pretty cool picture. November 686 Tango Alpha was an old Taka bird, I believe. And now it's obviously all Avianca. Here's the box, the usual, very nice. Alright, here we have it. I already took the card out a while back to redeem the points, but they did come with one. So here we have the model, the packaging. Let's go ahead and get it out and take a look at this. Alright, here we go. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. All right. Here we go. That looks fantastic, guys. I'm excited for this one. So here the usual NG mold being fantastic. Starting off at the cockpit area here. Actually, what does it say there? Oh, yeah, A320. Yeah, silly me. So there's A320 right there. Cockpit windows, the Star Alliance logo is Avianca's part of Star Alliance. That one door there looking very nice and great details all here. You know, the pitot, where the pitot tubes would be, the static ports, etc. The various connection points and everything, like little panels and stuff right there. So very, very nice. Got the antenna at the top right there. The gear looking fantastic. Looking very nice. Yeah, Avianca title. And then Surf City, El Salvador. Looking really, really nice there. The overwing exit markings and the overwing exits themselves looking great. The engines, they're a classic red Avianca engine with the logo on it. Looking really nice. And taking a look inside, you can see they look pretty good as well. The wings are very nice, and so are the wingtip fences. It actually has Avianca on the wings. And then the Avianca on this side, and then the registration on that side. It's very nice. Moving along, more antennas, more aerials, antennas, and then the Wi-Fi box at the back there. Back here, you have the registration, 686 Tango Alpha, and as you can see, it's actually the El Salvador flag right there, as this one is operated out of there. Because again, it was an old Taka bird. But yeah, so with that being said, then you have the surfer guy right here, the guy on the surfboard, which is pretty cool. And the blue here at the tail with sort of the wave looking really, really nice, very nice. Spinning it around here. Same thing on this side, the L2 aft door, and then this is R2 door there. I guess it'll be R4 technically if you count the emergency exits, but yeah. Then you got the baggage door back here. I do know if this one has a bulk bin door. It might. It does have a little bulk bin door right at the very back, right here. But it has the main door there, cargo door there, the aft one, and then it has the forward one right there. But yeah, overall this side, then as I say, the registration's on this wing. Everything else is about the same. So taking a look at it, top down view, very nice. The bottom, plain and simple, Avianca, and the registration underneath the wings there as well. Just the flip of the top. So very nice. All right, head on view. And then back to this side. So very, very nice model by NG Models. Happy to have this one in the fleet. And adding it to my, which one do I have? I have the Alexa one and another one, and then I have a regular standard livery Avianca on the way as well. But this one has or does fly into LA every now and again, as it operates that San Salvador route. So very excited and happy to have this one added to the collection. And with that being said, guys, yeah, that's going to do it for this video. So if you did enjoy, smash that like button, subscribe for more mall unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. And with that, I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.